Mercury. This small, rocky world sits closest to the Sun, enduring extreme temperature swings that shift from blistering heat during the day to freezing cold at night. It lacks a substantial atmosphere to trap heat or protect the surface, leaving it heavily cratered and scarred by ancient cosmic impacts. Because it orbits so quickly, a single year here lasts just 88 Earth days, making it the fastest-moving planet in our solar system. Venus. Shrouded in a thick, toxic blanket of carbon dioxide clouds, this planet experiences a runaway greenhouse effect that makes it the hottest world in our cosmic neighborhood. The crushing atmospheric pressure on the surface is heavy enough to flatten a submarine, while rains of sulfuric acid erode the volcanic landscape. Despite its hostile environment, it remains a focal point for scientists studying how planetary climates can spin completely out of control. Earth. Our home planet stands out as the only known oasis of life in the universe, thanks to its vast liquid water oceans and a perfectly balanced nitrogen-oxygen atmosphere. A protective magnetic field shields the surface from harmful solar radiation, allowing diverse ecosystems to thrive across continents and seas. Its active geology continuously reshapes the terrain, maintaining a stable environment that has supported millions of species for billions of years. Mars. Known widely for its reddish hue caused by iron oxide rust on the surface, this desert world features massive extinct volcanoes and a canyon system that dwarfs the Grand Canyon. While it is currently cold and dry with a very thin atmosphere, geological evidence strongly suggests that liquid water once flowed across its landscape in the distant past. Robotic rovers and orbiters actively explore the terrain today, searching for signs of ancient microbial life and preparing for potential human arrival. Jupiter. The undisputed giant of the solar system is a massive ball of hydrogen and helium gas with no solid surface to speak of. Swirling with violent storms, its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a colossal hurricane wider than Earth that has raged for centuries. A powerful magnetic field and a collection of dozens of moons, including the icy ocean world Europa, turn this planetary system into a miniature solar system of its own. Saturn. Renowned for its dazzling and complex ring system made of billions of ice particles, rocky debris, and dust, this gas giant is the second largest planet in our system. It has a remarkably low density, meaning the entire planet could theoretically float if placed in a giant ocean of water. Beyond the rings, it hosts unique moons like Titan, which possesses its own thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. Uranus. This pale blue gas giant is unique because it rotates completely on its side, practically rolling around the Sun on its orbital path. Scientists believe a massive collision early in its history caused this extreme tilt, which leads to highly unusual, decades-long seasonal changes. Methane gas in the upper atmosphere gives the planet its distinct color, while a faint system of vertical rings circles the icy world. Neptune. The most distant major planet from the Sun is a dark, cold world whipped by the fastest winds recorded in the solar system, reaching speeds near supersonic levels. Its deep blue color comes from atmospheric methane, and its dynamic weather patterns occasionally form massive, fleeting dark storms. Because it sits so far out in the freezing outer reaches of space, it takes nearly 165 Earth years to complete just one journey around the Sun.